Welcome. We're gonna continue with the bot. We're doing the frame bottom. We're gonna resize the bottom. And now I must confess, I must apologize for the noises in the background. I have no idea how to deal with it. I'm going to set the flags again. Once area, and I'm going to give it I'm snapping to the bottom, so I'm going to give it a height, and the anchors are going to be to the bottom and to the left and to the right, to the left and to the right. And we're gonna set our property instead of property previous. We're gonna use, of course, we will need it along the Y. So on pressed, we will set our previous Y, which is where the mouse is according to Y when we click on it. And now it's Y change. Y is removing the cursor. The Y change, of course, going to change. We want to add the derivative. I say this to it, which is subtracting previous from the current mouse position. And after we do that, we're gonna set. I'm just gonna go through this time. I'm gonna give it an ID. Main window to set height to be we're gonna add the change that we have now to it, whether it's more or less. We're gonna add it. We don't have to set any Y because then it will be doing it from the bottom. So I'm just gonna drag and drop on my camera scene. I've navigated to camera scene. And now look, my icon is not showing. Look at the icon. I mean, here the icon size, the vertical, yeah. Now here we are at the bottom and right side, and when I do it, yes, we are adding the change, but then we are not touching the X and Y because then it's doing it at the bottom. So see you when we talk about moving it all around. See you in the store. Bye.